Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, April 15th. Yes, and it's Good Friday. Happy Easter to everybody who celebrates. Happy Passover. That's starting this weekend as well. Hope you have some fun plans if you are celebrating. I have a lot of people coming to my house. Well, not a lot, but more than just my husband and me. My kids and my sister and her family and my mother-in-law are coming, and they're all going to stay the weekend, which is so fun, and really looking forward to having everybody here. I've been spending this week just getting ready, food shopping and cooking and cleaning and just, getting everything set up. So it's been busy, but definitely all good. I got a little bit of crafting done, not much shopping. This is going to be a pretty small haul, but good stuff, I think. And yeah, probably more next week. I'm waiting on an order or two to come in, and maybe some after Easter sales, hopefully. So anyway, let's get started. I think this is my first order from the Not2Shabby shop. I don't know why. I mean, they have the cutest stuff in it. Jamie is the owner. Hi, Jamie, if you're watching. And also, if you use the code Jamie, you get 10% off, I believe. Keep that in mind if you want to order as well. But anyway, the new release is very strawberry themed, so I just had to place an order, and I'm so glad I did. So actually, this came last Friday after my haul was done, so I haven't even really looked at it yet. So I wanted to wait and do that with you. So it came with this cute little business card, which is adorable. I love the square size of it. And that's where you can find the Not2Shabby shop on Instagram, Facebook, and stuff. And she sent me this cute little free pack of sequins, which is so pretty. I love these. Summer Splash Collection 1. And these are, they're like flat sequins. I love those. So thank you so much for the freebie. So the first thing I got was this pack of ephemera. And this, I forget what the collection is called, but it's, a new release. So let's take a look. Since I don't have a big haul, we might as well look through these. They're so pretty, these girls. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to start using these, but yeah, let's see. Okay, so, and they're all pre-cut. Of course, oops, sorry about my tripod. Of course, they're all ephemera. Look at that little cat. So cute, cute little strawberries. More strawberries. Two of these girls, like different sizes, different hair colors, and they have strawberry dresses on. Oh my gosh. When I saw these, I couldn't believe how cute they were. There's like a little train case with strawberry cake and strawberry, well, I'll pretend it's strawberry milk. A couple of these, Your Berry Special. That's so nice. So nice to add to a card. And they're nice, nice weight, very pretty paper. There's another girl. Oh, she's so pretty. Let's see, let's put all the girls together. See the different sizes. It's nice to have different sizes for, different projects that you're working on. Here's another one. Oh, another pink hair one. So there's two of those. I just mixed everything up, didn't I? Okay, let me move over things I did already. There are some bows, strawberry, another cat, or it's the same cat as before that I mixed up. Oh, look at that cute little handbag with the strawberry charm. So adorable. I'd love to have that bag. Right, sorry, we did those already. Did that. Okay, another one of the bag. So there are some multiples. Cute spiral bound notebooks and hand cream. Oh, so adorable. A couple more of the girls. Really pretty. So different hair colors, skin tones. Some more strawberries. Let me move these up a little so we could see them a little bit better. I'll just kind of keep them together, by category. And then there are some more of the girls. Little blondie, one with dark hair. So those are the doubles of those. Okay, and this says So Berry Sweet. Nice flag already made for you. Oh, look at that teapot. So cute. Hopefully this is still available. I'm not sure. I know some of her stuff tends to sell out, so. But I will try to link them down below if I can, okay? And oh, look at this little basket. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's got a little notebook and flowers and some strawberry jam and looks like a spool of thread. That is adorable. I'm so glad there are 2 of each, so I won't feel bad about using them. Cute little mushroom. There's that one again. Where'd that one go? Oh, is that the same one? Sorry. Another cat jam. Here's 2 telephones with bows on them. So adorable. Okay, here's that one. And that one. That one. More bows. Cake. That says fresh strawberries. Oh, and it's like a strawberry plant. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. Another cake. Here's a big cat. More bows. This is adorable. I love all the pinks and darker pinks and reds and some bright minty greens. Yeah, super cute collection. So that's everything, doubles of each. Really, really cute. Hope you like them too. And then, of course, I had to get the paper that goes with it. This is called, all right, Pinkberry Blast. That must be the name of the collection. So there's it's a 6x6 paper pad, 24 double-sided sheets, 2 of each design. So let's take a look at these. The colors are just gorgeous. Very bright. Well, they're, I guess, bright, but just like nice clear colors, you know, pinks and blues and dark pinks, whites. Okay, so there's a gingham page with strawberries on it and flowers. It's a little glossy, this paper. Not like too glossy. Nice plain pink gingham. And then we have I was going to say it's polka dots, but they're little hearts. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, love that back page too. Love both of them. Again, glad there are 2 of each. There's a pretty strawberry page with pink strawberries. And the white that she used for the background, it's not like a really stark white. It's kind of a creamy white. And a plain pink on the back. A pretty light blue gingham. Kind of matches my nails. And that's the back, that pretty scatter print with all the different cakes and cloches and jams. Teapots. Really, really cute. This would be great for Mother's Day. And then there's that cat with the strawberries. Oh, it's so cute. And the back it's kind of like a very light pink or gray. I'm not really sure. Pinky gray with little white hearts. And then we have a bow page. Everything works back to the ephemera. Cute, cute bows. And the back is a bow page too, but that has a white background. Nice. Be cute to make bows out of this. And then, oh, this is cute. The scatter print. Look at that bunny. So sweet. And clusters of strawberries, individual strawberries, pairs of strawberries, bows. And that dark pink background or back page. And there's those mushrooms with the strawberries on the top with strawberries interspersed, pink background. There's one with the white background. And these cute strawberries with the little faces and little red strawberries too. And a pretty blue background, red gingham, love it. Can never have too much gingham. Pretty floral. And the back, look at that. With the gingham, love gingham and floral together. And then this one is kind of a scatter print with the strawberry plants and just other strawberry images. That's a light pink background. Oh, that's so cute, these strawberries. My goodness. All right, 2 of those. And the last one is the blue background with the light pink strawberries. And that's the back of that one. All the different treats with the white background. Oh, so I just love this paper. There were some other things, I believe, in the collection, but I just really wanted those 2 things. So there's that. And then I also picked up this paper pack from Not2Shabby, Dots for Spring. And I'll just show you quickly what all the colors look like. But so looks like how many different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that makes sense. 12 different colors, and they're double-sided. Okay, good. So they're like a tiny polka dot on one side and a bigger polka dot on the other side, although it's still tiny, but this one is like micro. So these are all the different colors, beautiful pastels. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Love the peaches, nice yellow. I need more like butter yellow paper in my life. Like this one I really, really like. Nice shades of green. There are those blues and purples. This is great. Really, really nice. Very happy with that order. I'm sure I'll be ordering again from them. So yeah, so that's what I got from the Not2Shabby shop. I placed 2 orders with Impression Obsession. If you don't know, they're going to be discontinuing their individual red rubber stamps at the end of this month. So I had placed an order before I found that out, and then I recently placed another order of like a bunch more stamps, but I did get a small order in this week. So let me show you what I got. My main reason for ordering was to get this die set, and this is called the Crazy Stitch set, and it comes with the frame and 2 different tags. I don't know if you call them tags or banners or whatever, but this is designed by Anna White. Hi Anna, if you're watching. And I've wanted this for quite a while. I've seen a lot of people make projects with this, and it's kind of expensive. It's like $26 for this, which is a lot, you know, and I reasoned to myself, oh, I don't need more frames, but I really, really like this one. And there were times when I wanted to use this exact frame. So I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. And it's really well made too. You could tell when you use it, it just cuts really, really nicely. So I picked that up, and let me show you what I made with it. I showed this on Instagram. So this is the card, and I also used the pie set that I hauled last week, this one from Spellbinders. So I used that to make the pies, and then I used that Crazy Stitch die frame to cut out the strawberry paper. So it looks so cute. I think I covered some of it up, of course. But yeah, and then I used it for this banner too. And I think this came out really, really cute. And the inside, I used a little stamp from that new Cook It stamp set that I got from Hero Arts. Well, it's not new, but it was new old stock. And that's my card. So anyway, I wanted to show you that Crazy Stitched frame and the tag. I'm really glad I got it finally. So I picked that up, and I got a couple of stamps in that order. I got this one. This Leaping Bunny is just so cute. That's what it looks like on that side. I did use this on some projects, but I had to mail them out already. They were Easter cards that I mailed out this week, but I just used these like on the back of the card and on the back of the envelope, and it looks really cute, just like a little leaping bunny. So I was glad to get that one. And then I got this one too. This one I did not get wood mounted, just cling mounted, and it says, "You're my cup of tea." I thought this would be a nice sentiment for tea cards. It's a little bit smaller than I thought. As you can see, it's pretty teeny. I haven't used it yet, but I like the sentiment, and it'll be good, like I said, on tea themed projects. So that's what I got from Impression Obsession. And let's see. Oh, I have another pie I wanted to show you too from this Spellbinder set. I made this one also, and I used some like strawberry themed shaker bits and some of those little like clear, I don't know, like ball thingies. So isn't that cute? I used some, what foam did I use? Oh, I used the Dollar Tree foam board for this, and then just inked the edges with some vintage photo just so it wouldn't look like stark white. And just made it strawberry themed, of course. So this die set's really nice. I added some glue and a little bit of like crystal glitter to make it look like sugar. So yeah, those are my pie projects I wanted to show you. I ordered a few things online from Joann's last weekend because, you know, if you pick it up in store, you can use a 25% off additional coupon. So I had to get those like, you know, those liners you put in your hanging baskets, the cocoa liners. They were really on sale, plus the 25% off. They were so cheap. So I wanted to get those. So I did that. And then, of course, I had to browse the website and picked up just a couple more things. I got this towel. It says, "Life is what you bake of it." And of course, it's got the strawberries on it. The original price, it was like $10 or $12.99. That is crazy. But it was like 50% off, at least 50% off, then the 25% off. So that's more like it, you know? Who's going to pay $13 for a towel? Oh my gosh. But anyway, if you just wait, you know, these things will go on sale and coupons. So, and then I got this big super satchel from Art Bin, and it's pretty big. Let me see if I can move it over. But it's just one compartment and it's nice and thick. So I thought this would be good. I was planning to use it for my Easter stuff, but I don't know, I might use it for something else. But it was way on sale from like $15.99 to $8.99. It was a doorbuster, so I couldn't use the extra coupon on it. But I thought it was, it'll be good for like some sort of big project, you know? And it won't fall apart on me. It's definitely thicker than the iris bins or the ones you could get at Hobby Lobby. So sometimes you just need something a little bit deeper. So that's what I got. And speaking of Hobby Lobby, I went there this week and I got a couple of things. Let's see. I think I just got 2 things there. No, I got 3. Well, let me show you what I have here. I saw Nicole, who's Vagabond Crafter. Hi, Nicole, if you're watching. She had shown this teeny little tier tray. Isn't that so cute? It's in the spring section, and it was $8.99, but it was 40% off. And it's actually a place card holder. So there's like a notch cut out of the finial thingy, so I guess you could put a place card in there, but I'm not planning to do that. I'm going to decorate it with like little teeny things and maybe even put this on my tier tray. I don't know. I might paint it too, but I just thought this was so cute. I love mini things like this, so that'll probably show up in, you know, a picture on Instagram or something. And then I got this piece of Silly Winks foam, glitter foam, and this one is very yellow. They had in their stack of yellows, it was this yellow one, and then all the other yellows were kind of like a golden yellow. I don't know if they changed it or it was just from a different lot or something, but anyway, I like this yellow better. It was $1.49, and these are great to cut your sentiment dies with, and they cut out really well, and that way you don't have to like pop them up on foam. They're already on foam. So there's that. Let me just look around and see if there's anything else. I remember what I got. It was, I have it upstairs in my kitchen. I already used it. It's a little like mushroom scrubby brush. And, you know, if you like cook with mushrooms, you're not supposed to rinse them underwater. So this little brush just kind of like gets the dirt off them without getting them wet. So that was the other thing I got. I knew there was something else, but that's it. That's all I got at Hobby Lobby this week. So like I said, not a huge haul, but hopefully you enjoyed, and I will leave my links down below to the different products I got online. Again, I hope you have a great Easter weekend or Passover or just a regular weekend. I'll be busy for, for Saturday, so I won't be able to upload a Saturday morning mix video this week, but hopefully next week. And yeah, I plan to do a bunch of crafting next week. I'm still working on my gingerbread quilt. I am hand quilting it, so I keep it in my family room, so when I have a few minutes, I sit down and do some stitching. So it's coming along, slowly but surely. So just in case you were wondering about the status of that. It'll be done by Christmas, that's for sure. All right, you guys, thanks for watching, and leave me a comment if you'd like. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Thank you very much for the thumbs up and for subscribing. I will talk to you guys next week. All right, take care, guys. Bye.